Alright, so anyway, my Jura ena4 is giving me this signal and this signal. So I've got to change the filter. So I just got one in the mail. It's a smart filter. And you're going to see this thing on the bottom. You got to take that off before you put it on. And I got to get this one out of there. So let's just pop it up, bring it over here, set her down. And to do it, you got to squeeze these two things. And these pop out of this little side here. You see that? So you got to do it with both sides. I kind of do it like that. And I can lift it up. And bam, there's the old filter, right? So now I just got to pop that baby off. It just pops off. It's no big deal. So to get it off, there's a little lip right here, right here. All you got to do is kind of just pop it. And it just comes off. It goes on the same way. Just like that. Pops off. No big deal. Right now we got to get a new one, right? But we got to get this stuff off. It does not want to come off. So I'm going to need a little thing, a little sharper tool to get it. Try not to stab myself. And then I should be able to just pull it. There we go. Almost. Yeah, done. All right, now we're ready to go. Now we just got to put her in here. Just like this. Make sure it gets snaps. Bam, ready to go in. All right, let's put her in here. If you look, you see the bottom of that thing? See, it's got those ridges. If you look in there, you're going to see little ridges too. And so this has to set in there. And then these two things snap into the top here where these little holes are. So let's do that now. So we just got to get her down in there. And you just kind of work it around a little bit until it gets there. And then push it. And then these you can slide until you get to the little holes. Bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. Now let's fill her up with water. And what I do is I fill it up a couple times and let it sit before I use it. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I'm just going to fill her up. I got the top on, you know, just like that. And then I'm just going to set her on here. And then I might run a couple cups through there and then change the water. Oh, look, it knows to do it. See? It's pulling it right through. So this way, the filter is, you know, you're not using that filter water. You can see how it's pulling it down. I don't know how it knows I put a new filter in. It just does. So it's gonna pull all this water through, and then I gotta pull that out. You can see it's blinking, 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 dinking, and nodding. Isn't that interesting? It knows it's got a new filter. I mean, how does it know that? How does it know it? Look at it, it's pulling all that water through. Wow. I think it's done. Now it's telling me I got to pull the tray out. So this tray is filled with water. So I've got to go really easy with it, otherwise I'll spill it everywhere. So I'm pulling it over here. Yeah, it's totally filled with water. Take this off, and watch how much comes out. Looks like I need to clean the tray. Well, I'm doing it, I might as well clean this, right? Put it in here. Okay, that looks pretty good. I could rinse it out, right? Go that extra mile. All right, let's reinsert and see if it might keep going. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Wait a second. Wait a second. I think we're good. It's giving me the blinking. Let's see if it does it. How long that takes. All right, but I still got to descale it. All right, so yeah. But anyway, we got the filter changed, and you can see it drew that much water out of there. So now it's ready to make coffee after we descale it.